Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, it's a unboxing of a mystery box that I managed to get my hands on. I was a little bit late to the party, but I just had to get it because it was a really good deal and there's some fab products. So I just thought, why not jump on the bandwagon and get myself a little mystery box from, the Valentine's Doll Beauty collection, which is this. So if you want to know what it is I managed to get my hands on, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so where should we get started? Well, first of all, this arrived on Friday and I've literally just ripped it open. I shared in the Patreon groups that I just received the box. I'm like, oh my god, right, don't show us what the products are, but we want to guess what they are from the sizes of the product, the shape, shall I say. And so I've just literally ripped it open, but I haven't seen what's inside in the center of the product. So here it is. It's a lovely little small box, and then it's got will you be my Valentine's love doll, your secret admirer. And this mystery box was £30 and there's 5 products in there, and I think it's worth over £50-60. No, what am I on about? It was £30. It's got to be well over £100 because the products in here are quite, so from what I've been seeing anyway, there's some interesting products. Okay, so let's get inside. So you receive this. I'm not sure if they're still available. I'll leave all the details down below in the comments, so you got in the description, so you guys can go check it out to see if there's any available or not. I'm not quite sure. I actually purchased this after Valentine's Day, so it was still available then. And then got a lovely little card to give you use the code Valentines25 for your 25% off your next purchase. So in here we have some 5 products. Now the way they've been wrapped is like they've just been quickly wrapped up and shoved in a box, but hey, who's judging? But it's all about presentation sometimes. Anyway, first up, let's get into the first product. We have this, so let's unravel and see what we've got. Okay, so we have some eyelashes, which obviously the Doll Beauty eyelashes are absolutely stunning, and these are in Esmeralda, so they're quite a nice fluffy full eyelash. So yeah, they can go to my collection. I've got quite a few Doll Beauty eyelashes and I really do enjoy wearing them. Next up we have, which looks like a lip pencil maybe. So let's have a look. Okay, so we have a lip pencil which is in the new collection, the Valentine's collection, and this is Red My Lip Liner. Packaging is gorgeous, and this is in the shade Bleeding Gorge. Okay, so this is what the lip pencil looks like. Let's get it open. Ooh. So that's a nice red, isn't it? It looks quite dark on the pencil, but then when you actually apply it, it's quite a nice bright red. Okay, then next up we have this little thing here, and from judging from what I've seen, I think this is a fake tan. I'm sure that's what the girl said it is. I'm not really a fake tan. I'm just really bad. I always used to go and get a spray tan done. Okay, so we've got the Ultimate Tan pumped with caviar and rose extract. Smells like heaven with notes of rose and marshmallow. I have to might actually give it a try, but it says deep dark. So yeah, I might have to give it a try and see what happens. If you see me coming out looking like an Oompa Loompa, then you know that I've gone completely wrong with the tanning. Okay, then next up we have a lipstick by the looks of it, and this is from the Valentine's collection as well. So yeah, can't wait to see. And this is in the shade Read Between the Lines. So it's the lovely new packaging that they've got. So it's all like embossed there with Doll Beauty, Doll Lip, should I say. And then got the lovely heart on the actual lipstick as well, if you can see. Wow, that red is stunning. So it's going to go really well with the lip. Oh yeah, the lip liner. They literally match. So that is a stunning red. And you all know I do like my red lipstick. So yeah, that's a keeper. And then the last product we have is this little baby here. And it is the Doll Light Duo, so I'm taking it's the highlighter. Shine Bright Like a Diamond. That's what the shades are, I think. So yeah, there you have it. That is what these highlights look like. If I'm not mistaken, I think these might be in the palette that I've got. Let me just get the palette and see, and if it is, then I won't actually swatch this, and then I could put this in a giveaway. What do you think? Okay, so I have actually got these 2 eyeshadows in here, these highlights in here, and it is these 2, isn't it? Shine Bright and like that. Let me just double check. Yes, so I've got these, so I will swatch these 2 that I've got in my palette, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in the box, and then I'm going to put this towards the giveaway in March. So who is going to try and get their hands on this in March? Or my sister, if she's watching, she's like, can I have that please? She's got a pile of goodies on the side, you know, waiting to be collected. Oh man, just made a dent in it. great. Right, so that's that. Don't worry, it's not the new one, it's my one that I've just decided to mess. So let me do you a quick swatch of the highlight so you can see. So this is Shine Bright. Don't know if you can see that. There you go. It's got a nice gold shimmer to it. And then this is like a diamond. And then that's like a diamond there. So that's there as well. And that's what these highlighters are. I mean, I could actually put them on me, couldn't I? So you guys can see. I've got like a dewy look going on today, so it's just gonna go on top. So that's like a diamond, and then on this side we'll put Shine Bright. Apologies if you can hear my son, he's on his Xbox with his mates and he screams the whole house down. Okay, so we've got Shine Bright there and like a diamond there. They are stunning. So yeah, I would definitely put that in the giveaway because obviously I have it in the Doll Beauty highlighter palette that I bought. Got quite a few of the others there. Oh my god, that child, I swear to god, that child is really stressing me out. Honestly, it's like today we are finding out the announcement was about an hour ago, but obviously I'm pre-recording this before the announcement of Boris Johnson, so I won't find out till after this video, but this video will already be up once the announcement's been made, if you know what I mean. But anyway, hopefully, fingers crossed, they are going back to school from the 8th of March, but we'll find out today. Anyway, that is what's inside the mystery Valentine's box from Doll Beauty. I'll leave all the details down below so you guys can go check out the website. The products are amazing, and I know they've got an amazing sale on. They're obviously you put on all the sale from the stock from Topshop, and yeah, there's some fab offers. I mean, you can actually grab yourself a pair of lashes for £2.50. You can't go wrong with a £2.50 pair of lashes, especially from Doll Beauty, because the quality is absolutely fantastic. So that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little chat catch up, and yeah, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And guys, I will see you all on my next video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.